produce electronic chemicals. But the electronic semiconductor company need very, very low. I think the some kind of the metal contamination, they are very sensitive. So we send the sample out for metal analysis and for ICP, metal mass spectrometry. We send like lots of them send. So many samples coming out for analysis. We give some kind of some company for analytic company, and they charge me each sample like $500 or $700. So it's every year the company use $500,000 or there's you use so much money. So they decide, if that kind of expense, we wanna buy MS. But the company invest around $1 million like that, and they got the instrument and they hire the mass spectrometer guys to run the instrument. That is, I think, I got some kind of a specific why company need some kind of the instrument for. So there is a water company, I think the let's see, is to make the purified waters, like there's so many companies in there. They kind of need the instrument, and also some bio company need a lot. And so that is probably, if you are more in the water, the chemistry is important, ISP mass is getting more important. And that kind of, I think that's one issue I have, yeah.
And what brand of MS or gas chromatography machines do you use?
I think mostly I used, I think the one time is HPL and the like HP, and for me is the Agilent.
Agilent, okay.
Yes, and that is the most popular one, I believe. So I use some other ones, Pedion, some other, but generally I prefer the Agilent. The reason is because right now, if you go into the university, the most popular one is Agilent, or called HP. That's the before change to Agilent.
Okay.
And that is the most popular one. So most the scientists in the study in the US knows very well. Most they used HP gas chromatography. I believe so. And but somehow the Shimazu at the time there was a Shimazu. But I think that around 10 years ago, that is the low quality of the instrument. So HB is very top, and Shimazu is a very low quality. And at the time, the price is very low.
Okay.
So is generally everybody preferred, there is a better, HP is better than the Shimazu, but in case of a price, hugely different.
Okay.
But right now, yes, go ahead.
I was just going to say, when you are going to buy a new machine, what are the most important considerations for you? Is it price, size, accuracy, speed, anything else?
And for me, is the performance is the most important.
Which, sorry?
Performance. So meaning is efficiency. And also you have, yes. So performance meaning, meaning is when you run the samples, because they have, in case of the GHK, two peaks are separated. So most people wants the peak is separated, but somehow is overlapped like that. That is a little bit difficult. So that is the case, and more better programs or like software issues and also column issues. And so the performance-wise is more better, and also have to be very stable. And the one is Agilent is